Ever needed to record sound directly from your PC, like game audio, a YouTube clip, or your Zoom meeting, but didn't want to pay for expensive software? Good news! You can actually do it 100% for free, using just a few simple tools. Here's how to record any audio playing on your computer. Fast, easy, and crystal clear. First, let's talk about the tool. You don't need any fancy programs, just Audacity, a free and open source audio recorder. It works on Windows, macOS, and even Linux. Head over to audacityteam.org and download it. Once installed, open it up. It'll look simple, but don't be fooled. It's incredibly powerful. Now, here's the key part. Before recording, you need to select your audio input source. Click on the small drop-down next to the microphone icon. If your PC supports it, choose Stereo Mix. This lets Audacity capture exactly what your speakers are playing. If you don't see that option, don't worry. I'll show you how to enable it next. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar, choose Sounds, go to the Recording tab. Now, right-click and select Show Disabled Devices. You'll see Stereo Mix appear. Enable it. Once that's active, go back to Audacity and select it as your input. Now you're ready to record anything your PC plays, games, music, or online calls. Hit the red record button in Audacity and play the sound you want to capture. You'll see the waveform move in real time. That means it's recording perfectly. When done, click Stop, then use File Export MP3 or WAV to save your audio file. Boom! Professional quality recording, all for free. And if you want even better control, Audacity also lets you edit, trim, and enhance your recordings right inside the app. You can fade music in or out, remove background noise, or normalize volume levels. It's like having a mini studio right on your desktop. So there you have it. That's how you record audio from your PC completely free. No paid software, no complicated setup, just one small trick using Audacity. Try it today, and you'll never have to point your phone at your speakers again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.